Oh, is that nice in there, everyone? It actually doesn't feel that bad. It's warm, isn't it? It's warmer in the pool than out. There they are! I'm gonna go fully underwater now. Oh, oh, oh. I didn't even touch it!
It's so much deeper than you think.
Nathan! Slow motion, bro. You're now a bit of a waste of a... I'm getting on it. No!
Is it waterproof? Yeah.
Yeah, I've got the waterproof case on.
Cool. Oh no, I don't.
I don't know where Max and Fenner are.
Well, it's deep enough.
Yeah, it is really deep. I got it. Here's Nathan, he's trying to get on the whale.
Yeah, I did, yeah. Oh, I hate this.
Quite a lot of people in the pool. I'm going to go and find Benny Blue.
Josh, no! No!
I think I'm going to go and get the water gun now.
Got the water gun.
Jumping in. No! Long shots for days, sorry. Long shots for days. Oh no, I'm running out of power. Oh dear. Oh no, I've run out of power. Sorry, Jess. Sorry, Nathan. Too much power. Too much power. Sorry, Ben. Sorry. Oh, sorry, Ben. Sorry. Oh no! Sorry, Josh. No! No! An attack! The fire! Hurt the dog!
7 up!
And get some 7 up!
Get 7 up, Bob! Hi! Hi, yeah! 7 up! We're swimming in it! Woo! Woo! Asher, slow motion. Ash is getting attacked. No. I'm an innocent news reporter for Asher Lloyd. Hi Max.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it! No, you weren't recording.
Can I go on an underwater adventure? Yeah. Hello, welcome. Last time where we left off, we were in a river. Now we're in a swimming pool. We have upgraded on Nathan's underwater adventure. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, Whoa, that was pretty mental. Don't forget to tune in for next week's episode of Nathan's underwater adventure.
No, here's my vlog. Oh no. Hey guys, vlog number 69 today. What's your thoughts on the EU referendum? Oh well, I'm really upset with the result. I prefer staying in the EU. Don't give a shit! This is already like 300 million times better than Ash's vlogs. Just together. What's your thoughts on the EU referendum? Glad I will. Okay then. What's your thoughts on the referendum of your mum?
I don't like it.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Max, are you ready? I'm Jesus. Oh! Come on, pants Nathan already. Hello. You can do it.
Yes. Onwards and outwards.
And inwards.
Ready?
Wait, my voice is gone. How are you? Oh no, I got a bit hungry. I'm having a light snack. I'm having a snack on the go. I'm sorry, I was really shit. I'm so sorry. Because it's a good.
It's the ins and outs of Nathan, really.
Hey, man. It's just Nathan's humour.
Nathan's team is amazing.
So we're going to recreate a video done by Max Merritt. He's a very famous YouTuber. He's just there. I'm going to recreate it. Ready? Oh, quality! Quality! Now, we're going to do it even slower. That would be quite painful, actually. Okay, we're doing the video again, but even slower, slow motion. Here we go, here we go. Okay, we're going to recreate a different one. This is just a completely different video that I've invented. It's just a bomb. Here we go, that last one really hurt.
Oh! Sorry, I don't have a steady cam today. I'm shivering.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
That was beautiful.
Yeah? That probably was not good for it. Oh, beautiful.
I'm wasted, my heart grows heavy. Don't taste me rushing, keep your words naked. You got me blushing, and you forever I'll follow. You be my holy ground. You forever I'll follow in immortality.
So, unfortunately, Kitty's been doing a massive vlog and just realised it was a time lapse, and she took 900 photos, and so we might be able to play it into one massive video. It might take a long time to edit. I'll have to put music in the background if I manage it, but it is actually quite beautiful, and I'm so annoyed it wasn't a video. I just wanted to check because she's been videoing for like the last half an hour, and I was like, oh, I don't want to find out that it's not actually a video. And then it wasn't actually a video. The race. The race. Oh, there's a water pistol on the way, and an orca, or a whale, however you prefer. Oh, wait. Quickly! Emily, you've lost! Nathan and Joshua is behind. Okay, been doing some enough gun shooting. There's a wild doggy, or doggo, they're called. Hello. Anyway, this Reese kid is going to shoot our friend. Oh, he missed. Oh, he missed again. And he's in his out.
I think it's jammed.
Oh dear.
That was such a good shot. I was aiming.
It's a race. Dog versus race. I've got typical glasses. They're Reese's. And obviously the Reese wins. The dog is left in the wake of the Reese. Oh, bruh.
I beat Doggo twice.
Bruh.